Build AI apps with Python in NeoVim. Episode 7. Your first tool. Function calling. Until now, Claude could only talk. It could answer questions, but never do anything. Tool use changes everything. You define functions. Claude decides when to call them. It is like giving Claude hands. It can now reach out and interact with the world. Today we build a currency converter. Claude calls our function to convert money. A new file. This episode changes what AI can do. Claude gets tools. Episode 7. This is where AI goes from answering to acting. JSON is back. We need it to format tool results. Same foundation. os.nv. Anthropic. Load the key, create the client. Mock exchange rates. In a real app, these come from an API. A dictionary mapping currency codes to USD values. Singapore dollar 1.34 to 1 USD. Euro, pound, yen, ringgit. 6 currencies total. Now the actual function. This is what Claude will call. Convert through USD as the base. Simple math. Error handling if the currency is unknown. Return a dictionary with the result. This becomes the tool output. Save. We have the function. Now we tell Claude about it. This is the key part. We describe our function with a JSON schema. Name matches the Python function. Description tells Claude what it does. Input schema defines the parameters. This is the contract. Each property has a type and description. Claude reads these. From currency into currency. String types with descriptions. Required fields. Claude must provide all three. Complete tool definition. Claude now knows this function exists. Save. Now we use it. Ask Claude a question that needs the tool. How much is 100 United States dollars in Singapore dollars? The new parameter, tools. We pass our tool list so Claude knows what is available. A natural question about currency conversion. Check stop reason. If tool use, Claude wants to call our function. Extract a tool use block. It has the function name and arguments. Print what Claude wants to call and the arguments it picked. Now we actually run our function with Claude arguments. Print the result. This is what we send back to Claude. The final step, send the result back for a human answer. Another messages.create. The conversation now includes the tool result. The messages tell the full story. User, assistant tool call, tool result. Tool result block. Type tool result, ID matches the original call. Claude reads the result and gives a natural language answer. Print the final answer. The loop is complete. Save and run. Watch the complete tool use loop. Claude calls convert currency 100 United States dollars to SGD $134. The tool works. GG. 3 parts. Define the tool, handle the call, send the result back. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, tools are JSON schemas that describe your functions. Claude reads them to decide what to call. Second, check stop reason for tool use. Then execute the function and return the result. Third, the full loop. Ask, call, execute, answer. That is function calling. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Next episode, multiple tools.